So I'm going to show you guys how to create a weekly video call on Google Calendar. So first of all, you want to go to your settings. Once you get to your settings, scroll down to this. You want to make sure that automatically add video calls to events are create is checked off. So that's checked off. So you can go back to the calendar now. So now you're going to create a event. So we're just going to call this video chat, I guess. And then you can click more options. So it'll bring you here. So first we're going to make it repeat because it's going to be weekly. So press weekly. And then we're going to add a guest. So let's see. Okay. All right. So next, then we're gonna make sure that Hangouts is the one that's selected. So Hangouts is selected. And then we're gonna press save. Send. So as you can see, the event saved and it's every week. So every Thursday. And oh, I'm sorry. It'll keep going because there's no stop date. I didn't select a stop date on it. So yeah, that's how you make a weekly video chat on Google Calendar.